If you dey receive too much notification for your WhatsApp, the notification dey come from groups, especially so many groups where you belong to, dem just dey send you message upon message. Messages go just dey enter, messages go dey disturb you for your phone. Even as for individual self, the notification too much. Once you check your WhatsApp, notice everywhere, and the thing dey disturb your phone, e no dey let you rest. To stop am dey very very simple. Na very simple thing. See wetin you go do. Open your WhatsApp. Once you open your WhatsApp, go to either the group or the individual where you wan stop. The group or individual. For example, if I click this group now, I tap am, I come to this option icon, this three dot for up. When I tap am, see wetin dem dey call mute notifications. Once you tap mute notifications, now they say mute notifications. Other members will not see that you muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned. So how I wan do am? If you stop am for 8 hours, maybe you need to rest for some hours. You no wan make notification enter your phone from WhatsApp. If you stop am for 8 hours, we fit stop am for 1 week. Or you choose what? Always. Always means say you no go dey receive the notification. The thing na anytime wey you open your WhatsApp, na you go see am. So once I do am like that, I don mute am. Even though self na individual, I can decide to even do am to individual. If I tap like this one now, I go to what? The same process, mute notification. I can decide to choose anytime, 8 hours, 1 week, or always. Now if you wan confirm whether true the notification don dey mute, like this one now, you go see once you go to the group, near it, by the side of it, you go see ringtone and cross there. You go see your ringtone and cross them, then cross am. So it means say you no fit receive notice from them for your phone. You no fit just receive am for your notification. This your notification here now. All this will be your notification. You no fit just receive message from them like that. So except say when you open am, now you go see the notice wey dey there. If not, you no fit receive am for the notification. So like this one now, you see am say you don see say e dey locked. You don see say e dey muted. So if I wan unmute am, I just type the icon again. If I click on mute notifications, then their messages go appear to me for my notification part of my phone. But I no want am. So if you see, you go see say many of my groups where I belong to, I mute them because I belong to so many groups. So I mute them so that notifications no go dey come to me, except those wey say I want to dey get their notice regularly. So save yourself that headache. They stop to the complain say the message is too much. They no dey let me rest. The message go just dey enter. They no let me do anything. No, just go to either the group or the individual and just click what? Mute. Once you mute them, now anytime when you open that WhatsApp, now you go receive now you go see the message. If you no open the WhatsApp, the message no go just come to your notification when you dey do other things. It no go appear. Thank you.